Welcome back to another video. Bienvenidos a otro video. Today we're going to be doing a 10-minute low impact HIIT. So no jumping. El día de hoy vamos a hacer 10 minutos HIIT de bajo impacto, así que vamos a empezar. Today we have 5 exercises, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off for 2 rounds, and that will be a total of 10 minutes. El día de hoy tenemos 5 ejercicios, 40 segundos el ejercicio, 20 segundos descanso entre medio por 2 rondas y eso será un total de 10 minutos. Grab some dumbbells if you have any, agarren algunas mancuernas si tienen. If not, it's okay, you can just do body weight. Si no tienen, no hay ningún problema, solamente van a hacer peso corporal. So, get in position for the first exercise, feet shoulder width apart, pies a la anchura de los hombros. Dumbbells up here, mancuernas aquí arriba. We're gonna do a squat and we're gonna rotate and 1 dumbbell up, okay? Get set, let's start in 3, 2, 1, go. Good, a couple more, unas cuantas más. Last one, última, and rest. We're gonna move on to a reverse lunge to knee drive. So vamos a hacer un desplante en reversa. Come up and squeeze, okay? We're gonna do that alternating. So vamos a estar alternando. Get set and go. Good, keep going. Last one, and rest. Breathe in, breathe out. We're gonna move on to cross body punches. So we're just gonna punch, okay? Y vamos a cruzar. Get set, go. You have lightweight dumbbells, you can also use those. Si tienen mancuernas pequeñas, pueden usarlas. And rest. Moving on to lunge pulses. Solamente vamos a hacer pulsos de desplante. So here, we're just gonna pulse. Okay, 1 leg at a time. Get set, go, vamos. Switch, cambio de pierna. You can also hold some dumbbells here. So también pueden sostener unas mancuernas if you want to challenge yourself. And rest. 20-second rest. We're going to do a little bit of core. Vamos a hacer un poquito de abdominales. We're going to do standing crunches. here. Okay? Get set. Let's go. Vamos. Alternating, alternando, and really squeeze your core, apretando el abdomen al subir. One more round. Una ronda más. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Get ready for the squats with rotation and go. Aquí y aquí. Good. Keep going, no stopping, sin parar. And rest. You're doing good, van bien. Lunges. Get ready. Set. And go. Almost there, ya casi. Couple more. Last one, and rest. You should start to sweat. Yo ya estoy empezando a sudar. We got punches next. Get set, go. Last seconds, últimos segundos, and rest. Good, we're almost there. Only 10 minutes. Give it your all, denle con todo porque solamente son 10 minutos. Lunge pulses. Ok, vamos a hacer los pulsos y vamos. Switch, cambio de pierna. Let's go. Get as many pulses as you can. Todos los pulsos que puedan. And rest. One more exercise, un ejercicio más. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Let's do crunches. Get set. Y vamos. Good, you're doing good, keep going. Vas bien. Sin parar, últimos segundos. Last one, última. And rest. Whew. Get some water, and I'll see you in the next one.